Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by connecting the Mixamp via USB to your PC. This powers it and enables firmware updates. Once done, install the Astro Command Center so you can update firmware and set EQ presets. This is why software matters. Next, plug any optical cable only if you plan to use console pass-through later. Make sure Windows recognizes the Mixamp. Set it as both default playback and default communication device so games and voice apps route audio correctly. Once the command center is open, adjust EQ, mic monitoring, and side tone. These affect clarity and headset balance, so tweak while speaking. Then, in Windows sound settings, set the Mixamp sample rate to 48,000 Hz to avoid mismatches and latency. After that, enter your game and communications apps. Choose the Mixamp for both output and input. This ensures voice chat and game audio stay separated on the Mixamp, letting you control mix balance without system-level conflicts. Now finalize by using the Mixamp dial to set the balance between game and chat and adjust master volume to a comfortable level. Small changes matter more than big jumps. If your mic sounds low, increase side tone and verify the mute switch and Windows input level, and make sure firmware is current. Updates fix many issues. If you lose audio, check the USB connection, confirm the Mixamp is the default device, restart the app, and then reboot the PC if needed. That usually clears persistent faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.